For 2,000 years, the world has been completely deceived. A silent tomb of 8,000 clay soldiers. That is the fact the world knows. But the moment light pierces through the cracks, the truth flips. Flowing mercury awakens the circuits, and a dormant, colossal mechanical army begins to open its eyes. This is no tomb. It is a massive, automated defense system of an ancient empire, which leaves us with one chilling question. What exactly was the first emperor trying to protect this world from? Is your world the truth, or a designed lie?